Hello everyone, this is Deepa Parekh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Anywhere, Anytime. Hello everyone. In our previous video, we saw the introduction on integers. Today we'll start with the first chapter's exercise 1.1. So let's start. This is a number line drawn which shows the temperature of different places on a particular day. And there are few questions asked on that. So let's start with the first question, that is A. The question is, observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So here we can see two things on the number line, that is the temperatures which are marked in degrees Celsius and the different places are mentioned here. So as per the first question, we need to find out the temperatures of these places. Okay, so let's start now. Let's start with Lahuspati. In Lahuspati, we can see a red arrow mark which is marked here. So which calculates the temperature of, say, it's between -10 and -5. So let's see how do we calculate that. -5, -6, because for every negative integers, when we see the higher it goes, the left side it goes, the number increases but its value decreases. So here -5, -6, -7 and -8. So here the temperature of Lahuspati is -8. Here we noted -8 degrees Celsius. Now let's see the temperature of Srinagar. In Srinagar, the temperature is between -5 and 0. So let's start counting. Again, since it is less than 0, we'll start with -1, -2. So here we see the temperature of Srinagar as -2. -2 degrees Celsius. The third comes Shimla. It's clearly mentioned above the number 5, which means the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. It's a +5. Next place is Ooty. And the temperature between that is between 10 and 15. So let's count, say 10, 11, 12, 13 and number 14. So here the temperature is marked as 14 degrees Celsius for Ooty. And last but not the least is Bengaluru. Let's see, the temperature is marked for this place between 20 to 25. Let's find what's the temperature here. Say it's 20, 21 and the others is 22. So the temperature marked in Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer of our first question, wherein they had asked to find the temperature of the places marked on it. Just to recollect, Lahuspati is 8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius, Shimla being 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty being 14 degrees Celsius, and last but not the least, Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Now let's move to the second question. The second question asked here is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So first we need to recognize which is the hottest and the coldest place. Whenever any number or whenever the temperature goes below 0, that is considered as a cold place. So here over the number line, the hottest place marked is in positive, which is Bengaluru. So the hottest place here is Bengaluru with 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest place, if we see to the extreme left, the coldest place is Lahuspati, which is -8 degrees Celsius. So we mark the coldest place as Lahul Spiti with the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now let's move towards the question what they have asked. The question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest among the above? Now let's see how do we calculate this. We have the figures 22 minus, since we have to find the difference, we need to put the minus sign. So 22 minus 8. That is what we have to calculate. The difference between the hottest and the coldest place. Now here, negative into negative becomes positive. So which will be 22 plus 8. And 22 plus 8 comes to answer 30. So what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? It is 30 degrees Celsius. This is the simple way to calculate. Otherwise, what we need to do is we need to count all these points. Say this is 22, right? So to see the difference, 21, 20. So this is say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So this was just an example to show you how we calculated, right? This is a simple way to calculate. Take the temperature of the hottest place, take the temperature of the coldest place. Since there is a difference, we need to minus, and since the coldest place temperature is negative, negative and negative becomes positive, so it would be 22 plus 8, and 22 plus 8 comes to 30 degrees Celsius. So the difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. I hope you understood the second question also. So now let's move on to the next question, which is question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Now to calculate the temperature difference between these two places, first let's find out the temperature of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So if we find in this number line, the temperature of Lahul Spiti marked here is minus 8 degrees Celsius and that of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So the temperature noted for Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree and for Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. Now let's calculate the difference between them. Normally when we calculate the difference, we write the bigger number first and then we write the smaller number. So when we compare minus 8 degree and minus 2 degree, the bigger number here is minus 2. Because the higher the negative integers, the lower is their value. So how will we write this? This would be written as minus 2. Since we need to find the difference, it will be a minus in between and minus 8. That is, minus 2 is the temperature of Srinagar, which is the highest value compared to minus 8 with a difference sign, and then the minus 8, that is the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Now, as we said earlier, when two negative signs meet, it would be a positive sign. So how will we write this? This will be written as minus 2, minus and minus would become plus 8. Okay. So here when we calculate this minus 2 and minus 8, since there is a negative sign and a positive sign, what we need to do, we need to subtract. We need to find the difference, because what we studied the previous day, when we need to add one negative integer and one positive integer, we find the difference between two and write the value or write the sign of a bigger number. That is, so what will be here? The result will be 8 minus 2, which is equals to 6. Now since 8 is a bigger number here having the positive value, the answer will be positive 6. Since it is in degree Celsius, we'll add degree Celsius. So the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degree Celsius. I hope this is clear too. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, that is question D. The question says, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So here we have two questions asked together. One is the difference between the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature of Shimla? And the other question asked is the difference also less than Srinagar, the temperature of Srinagar? Okay, so first for that, let's find out the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Here, the temperature of Srinagar marked is -2 and that of Shimla we can see here is 5 degrees. So now let's calculate what is the difference of the temperature here. So here we noted the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius and Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So since we need to find the difference here, it would be -2 plus 5. Since there is 1 minus and 1 plus, the result will be the difference of that two with a higher degree sign, that is positive sign here. So the temperature difference between these two places is 3 degree Celsius. Now, what is the question asked? The question asked is the temperature less than, that is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla when taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. So here we got, when both the temperatures are taken together, we got the result as 3 degrees Celsius. And of course the Shimla's temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Hence, yes, it is less than the temperature of Shimla. So this answers the first one. Now the second part of the question asked is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Now the temperature of Srinagar marked here is -2 degrees Celsius and we got the difference of them as 3 degrees Celsius. Since +3 is greater than -2, the answer will be no, it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. So this is the answer of our last question of the part, question number 1. I hope everything, the 4 question parts which were discussed today is very clear to you. I hope you liked this video. So if you have liked it and if you have yet not subscribed my video, please subscribe, like and also share to many of your friends. Thank you so much. Bye.